Here's today's Remy Quick Tech Tip, TS-034. Let's look at the 1990 Lincoln Town Car. The symptoms I want to speak to include a no start due to a discharged battery or an intermittent no start. Now, Ford has issued two separate tech bulletins relating to starting problems on this application. They are number 90-6T-4 and number 90-16-2. Let's begin with 90-6T-4. Now, this tech bulletin advises that water entry into the ABS pump motor relay can cause the contact to corrode. The corroded contact can become stuck in the closed position, causing the pump motor to run continuously, thus discharging the battery. The recommended solution? Ford has issued a kit, part number FOVY14A303A. Now, this kit contains a new relay and the necessary hardware needed to relocate the relay. The second tech bulletin, number 90-16-2, advises that water entry into the transmission vent can cause the neutral safety switch contacts to corrode, resulting in a no start condition. The recommended solution is to check the transmission fluid for signs of water contamination. If the fluid is milky in appearance, then you want to install a new neutral safety switch. That's part number FOVY7A247A. Ford also advises installing a new deflector kit, part number FOVY17A500A. And this deflector kit will help divert the water away from the transmission vent. That's the Remy Quick Tech Tip, and it's another reason why your next starter alternator should be a Remy.